Welcome to Vision On part 2 for the lower panel removal. This is refitting it, and it's really just to demonstrate how it goes back together and also comes apart. You can see that I've put some red rubber grease, various points on the panel. This is where one of the clip points is. This is the securing point. Where's my finger gone? Up there where the plastic tab goes, and this panel, if I do it with one hand, just clips into place like that. Very easy, but of course trying to take it apart, the best thing to do, trying to hold the camera while I do this, is to get your hand in at the top here and pull it forwards. Let's try it. It is, once it's clipped in, it really doesn't want to come out very easily. There we are, we've done it. It does. I think that red rubber grease has made it a lot easier. Putting it back in, it's just a question of, there we are, pops back in. I've already secured the lower point here so it doesn't all pop out. And then again, just use one of these clips. Can't see what I'm doing. To push it back out again, just bear with me. Oh, we clip reset. There we go. So the clip is with the button pushing out. Put it in place and click it back in. Beautifully simple way of securing things. I'll do the same on the underside. Down there with the clips, and then it's all back together. So an easy job, and so worth doing in order to keep everything behind here, which you can't see, but you can know that it is all in order by having removed that panel. End of video.